Hello, I am Dr. S. Mishra. I'm a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to our channel Now Ask the Doctor. Today, in this video, we will discuss about the oral manifestations of vitamin C deficiency. Now, for today's discussion, I have to use some medical terms, but I will definitely explain them in a simple way for your ease of understanding. So, let us begin our discussion. Now, vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient involved in the repair of tissue and the enzymatic production of certain neurotransmitters. It is also required for the functioning of several enzymes and is important for immune system function. It also functions as an antioxidant, and vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin. Vitamin C is also important in case of wound healing. It is found in citrus fruits and in some vegetables. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a sickness called scurvy. Bruising, bleeding gums, weakness, fatigue, and rash are the common symptoms of scurvy. In this video, I will discuss about the vitamin C deficiency related oral manifestations only. The most common is widespread petechiae and ecchymosis of the oral mucosa, along with hyperemia, edema, and ulceration. Now, petechiae are pinpoint round spots that appear on the skin or mucous membrane as a result of bleeding. Usually, they are flat to touch, and petechiae don't lose color when you press them. The bleeding causes the petechiae to appear red or brown. Petechiae commonly occurs in clusters and they may look like a rash. Ecchymosis are larger extravasation of blood. And I have also mentioned the word hyperemia. So, what is hyperemia? Hyperemia is an excess of blood in the vessels supplying a region, in this case, the oral mucosa. The next most common oral manifestation due to vitamin C deficiency is generalized enlargement of the gingiva with spontaneous bleeding. So you can see in the picture below that there is generalized enlargement of the gingiva and also there is gum bleeding now and then spontaneously. The next most common oral manifestation of vitamin C deficiency is severe periodontal inflammation. Periodontal means the structures surrounding and supporting our teeth. So there is severe periodontal inflammation. Now the next oral manifestation is alveolar bone loss. So the alveolar bone is the bony ridge that contains the sockets of the teeth. So there will be alveolar bone loss due to vitamin C deficiency. Next one is tooth mobility and premature loss of teeth. Now, since there is damage in the periodontium as well as alveolar bone loss, so the whole support system of our teeth is affected. That's why the tooth becomes loose and it shows a tendency of falling down early. The next common oral manifestation is very important. It is failure of wound healing and also breaking down of recent wounds. So, say if there is any ulceration inside your mouth, or say there is any cut due to trauma, it will not heal if there is a vitamin C deficiency. It will not heal quickly. And after that, there is subperiosteal hemorrhage. So that's all. And you can see that how much vitamin C is important for maintaining a healthy life. If you find our video informative, then please subscribe to our channel for more health related videos and information. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.